Welcome back to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a mascara that promises to elevate your lash game with ease. If you've ever struggled to find the right mascara that delivers length and volume without clumping or smudging, you're in the right place. We're reviewing the IDUN Minerals Magna Lengthening Mascara, which aims to give you the falsy look you've always wanted, naturally. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Now, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews like this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So let's break down what this mascara is all about. The IDUN Minerals Magna Lengthening Mascara is a vegan and cruelty-free formula that promises to lengthen and volumize your lashes without the mess. With a mineral-infused formula, it's designed for sensitive eyes and ensures a lightweight application. Plus, the best part? It's clump-resistant, easy to remove, and promises a long-lasting wear with no smudging. The mascara's tapered brush is designed to coat each lash from root to tip, helping to separate and volumize your lashes without the usual clumpiness. It's especially perfect for those with short lashes, as it adds the kind of length that might even make you look twice. I tested this out during my daily routine, and I have to say, it really did make a difference. I loved how lightweight it felt on my lashes. No heavy, cakey feeling. The tapered brush was easy to use and helped me reach the root of my lashes, which is a huge bonus when you want that extra lift. My lashes looked longer and more voluminous in just one coat, and I didn't experience any flaking throughout the day, which is often a concern for me. One thing I will mention though is that it doesn't give you that super dramatic effect you might expect from a high-impact mascara. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. If you're looking for a more natural yet voluminous lash, this is definitely a winner. However, if you're someone who likes more of a bold lash look, you might need to layer it up or look for something a little more intense. As for the pros, the biggest one for me is how hydrating the formula is, which makes a difference when you're applying it throughout the day. It's also super easy to remove, which is a huge plus for those of us with sensitive eyes or contact lenses. The fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free is always a nice touch, and I appreciate the thought that goes into that. On the downside, the formula could be a little more buildable for those who want more drama, and it may not work for everyone looking for a more intense false lash effect. Also, it's not the most budget-friendly option out there, so that's something to consider if you're on a tight beauty budget. In terms of value for money, I think it's fair considering the high-quality ingredients and the cruelty-free vegan benefits. If you're after a mascara that's gentle on sensitive eyes, but still offers a decent amount of volume and length, this is a solid option. But if you're looking for something more dramatic for a night out, it might not quite hit the mark. Now, compared to other mascaras in this price range, the IDUN Minerals Magna Lengthening Mascara stands out in terms of its lightweight, hydrating formula. It's much gentler than some of the other options, and for people with sensitive eyes, that could be a major selling point. However, if you're someone who prefers a bit more punch in their lashes, there are other mascaras out there that might suit you better. The packaging is simple and sleek, and the mascara itself feels sturdy, which I appreciate. I've had it for a few weeks now, and it still performs like it did on day one. There's no drying out or flaking in the tube, which is something to note when you're considering longevity. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had any personal experience with their customer service, but from my research, IDUN Minerals has a solid reputation for responsiveness and helpful support should you have any issues. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something that's still gentle on the eyes but offers a little more drama, you might want to consider the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara or the Bare Minerals Lash Domination. Both have great formulas that are also designed for sensitive eyes and give you that voluminous effect. To wrap it up, the IDUN Minerals Magna Lengthening Mascara is a great option for those looking for a natural lash look with added length and volume, especially if you have sensitive eyes. It's hydrating, easy to remove, and cruelty-free. While it might not be as dramatic as some other mascaras out there, it's still a solid choice for daily wear. Thank you for tuning in today. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.